Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today we'll be learning the next lesson, which is lesson 5. We'll be learning the next 3 things, and that is what's called a list view, a masked text box, and a monthly calendar. Well, a monthly calendar just kind of does it for you, and with that, it'll just show what the date is and whatnot, and you have a calendar. So it's essentially really given to you. Primarily, you could probably use it for a calendar. You could probably set dates for that calendar and whatnot. Later on, if it's requested, we can go into more of the monthly calendar and how we can add everything with that. But with that, we can go with a list view. A list view is essentially just like a list box, a list, and a combo box. It just now, instead of having the usual having it vertically, we're going to have it horizontally and vertically. So let's move this calendar over. Let's move this list box up more. Let's move this out of the way. And with that, we can go over and code stuff. So in the initialize component, we can do list view dot items dot add, and again we'll just put an object. We'll do b burger storm lightning and a couple others. I don't know, cool dude car. And with that, you'll see all of them: burger, storm, lightning, cool dude, and again you can select them and those things will appear and whatnot. So what we can do with that is we can go over to the design and we can do, okay, we can hit a button, right? Let's do a button. And let's say, okay, yeah, perfect. I have an idea. What we're going to do is we're going to only show the calendar. We're going to go here and make the visible calendar to false. And what we're going to do is when the index is changed, we're going to appear. So what we're going to do is we're going to do list view 1 dot items dot, we would do a find and a string. Okay, so let's say if cool was cool, dot true, because we're going to search all sub items. And with that, it's going to return a list view item. Oh, it's got view wrong. A list view item. Oh, well, hold on. We can do items dot if it contains, we want the index, so index at index of, and what we would do is cool okay, well, so what we're going to do first is do a list view item equals new list view item, and we're just going to put cool in there, and that's what's going to be our temporary value. So then what we're going to do is do this instead of, and add the item there, so it's going to get the index, and we're going to do int index equals list view. So now what we're going to do is list view 1 dot it selected with the selected items we will be doing, it will be selected and it will return a item, and with that item okay, well, that's fine. If the index, if list view 1 dot items dot sub index dot is selected, then we will turn on monthly calendar dot visible equals true. And with that, we can run it. And if we hit, oh, we have an error. Oh, -1. Why is that? Hello everyone, and sorry about the pause. I kind of got confused, and I don't think you guys wanted to sit me there and kind of just look of confusion. But I totally figured it out, and so what we need to do first is we need to go to a list view one and make our multi-select only singular, so we can't multi-select. So our next thing is we need to make sure that the list view is not like any other. It doesn't have a selected index. So what we need to do is kind of makeshift our own. So we would do a list view one dot selected items dot count is less than or equal to 0. We were going to return, and with that we're going to make a list view view item name item equals a list view one dot selected items sub 0. Oops, forgot the return return, and with that now everything should work. So if we start the program and we hit burger, storm, lightning, dude, car, nothing shows up, but if we hit cool, then the September comes up. But so now what else we can do is, if it's not, we can always turn that back to false. And with that, we can start it, and we can burger, storm, lightning, dudes, car, cool, and then we hit anything else, it goes away. So those are list views, and those are one proper way of doing that. Sorry about the confusion. I'm gonna try to edit some of that out, but you guys would probably find it funny, so I'll kind of leave some of it in. But I enjoy doing this. I appreciate your time and staying with me. If you enjoyed this, I would like to, if you can, like, comment, subscribe for do more stuff like this. And yeah, thanks guys.